In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Shopify order fulfillment tracking numbers in bulk using the Matrixify app. This app is a handy tool that allows you to export your orders, make necessary changes to the tracking information in a spreadsheet, and then seamlessly re-import the data, updating your orders efficiently. This streamlined method can significantly save time and ensure the accuracy of your tracking information across multiple orders. Let's dive into the steps and see how this is done. First, you'll want to export your orders. To do this, open the Matrixify app within your Shopify account. Once you're in, select the option to export your orders. Make sure you're including all the fulfillment data you need. You'll likely want to export this information into either a CSV or Excel file, as these formats are easy to work with in spreadsheet applications. Once you have successfully exported the file, it's time to prepare it for editing. Open the file using your preferred spreadsheet application. As you look through the exported data, identify and keep only the necessary columns. Specifically, you want to retain the order ID, name, command, line, type, and fulfillment ID columns. Keeping only these essential pieces of information helps to streamline your workflow and avoid any unnecessary confusion. With the file prepared, you're ready to edit the tracking information. Begin by changing the command column for each order you wish to update to say Update. This is crucial because it instructs the Matrixify app to process the changes you're about to make rather than overlook them. Next, locate the columns where you'll be adding the new tracking details, specifically entering the new tracking number, the associated tracking company, and the relevant tracking URL for each applicable order. If your workflow requires it, you can also update the fulfillment status here to reflect the current state of your orders using statuses like shipped or partially shipped. Now that you've entered all required updates, the final step is importing the file back into the Matrixify app. Simply navigate back to the app, select the option to import the data, and then upload your edited spreadsheet. The app will then take care of updating the tracking information for all the corresponding orders based on the changes you made. This automation makes it incredibly efficient, reducing the chance for human error and ensuring that each order reflects the new tracking updates accurately. By following these steps, you can maintain a well-organized and up-to-date tracking system for your Shopify orders with minimal effort. The Matrixify app offers a methodical and effective way to manage large volumes of order updates, keeping your fulfillment process running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments.